Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to use uh, Merry Christmas effects on your Capcut PC on your video. So you can see I just brought a video here on the timeline. So simply click on your video and go to here effects option, and then you can see trending. Simply click on the trending. So this is the one, Xmas College, so you have to download it. So then simply click on the plus button, or you can pull it here and drag and drop it here, and then you can set it here, or you can make it reduce because of your video duration. And after that, this is the one you can also okay, keep it here. And after that, if you uh, click here, it's look like that. Okay, this is really amazing. So if you want to change the text, or you can see you have to click here on the clip, and then you can see horizontal and arrange size. You can make it a little, or you can vertically, you can brought it on the bottom part or lower part, you can. So I think this is cool. And after that, if you click again and start again, then you can see this is really cool. Okay, or you can also give it like a range, so you can change the fonts and speed also. You can animation, you can vertical. Okay, just keep it here, and after that it's really amazing. You can do it on your mobile too. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.